This is Biotronix PEMT loop therapy device. You can see Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy device. Why loop therapy? Because the applicator over here we have is in the loop form. So you can see this is the loop form device. This is the loop, and between that loop, the joint you will put over here, you will get the magnetic field, pulse electromagnetic field for the physiotherapy and rehabilitation purpose. You can see this is one of the loop therapy, single loop therapy applicator. I have already plugged in the same, and this is the single loop, and this is the dual loop over here. This is the dual loop for other joints. This is the dual loop. You can see dual loop for the knee and other joints. This is dual. This is quite heavy duty device and heavy duty applicator and loop. You can see, and this is the carry box you can for the loop, all the loop, single loop and double loop. You can see this is the carry box, and you can see the device itself is a briefcase type device. If I remove the wire from the panel, like you can see, I can just close it as briefcase. You can see this is the briefcase. This is the handle to carry. This is the handle to hold. This is the handle also. I can adjust the same also. You can see, and there are wheels at the base, so I can move the same from here to here, like this. You can see. So this is the magnet device, magneto device. So there is a magneto circuit inside it. So this is a weighted device. So that can be moved from the help of in the handle and all. So this is the briefcase type structure, and you can see every instruction is there in the written in that section. So you can read the instruction, then operate the device. So you can also hold the device like this. You can also hold the device, put the same on the table like this. So now I will show you the demo of the device. What you need to do is you need to read the instructions, and before inserting that main cord, you have to first plug in the loop attachment. One end of the loop attachment, the one in the same color. I will apply force and I will get the sound cut. So the same has been inserted. Now I will insert the main cord. I don't need to insert the main cord and so I start the machine and then insert the thing. That may give an electric shock to us. So first insert the same inside the same, then insert the main cord and start the thing. So now I will show you the demo of the device by operating the same. And this is the main section where these are the fans, these are the main cord insert plug-in, and this is the switch, and this is the fuse section. Time you have 5 to 10 minutes, that is recommended one, and intensity 1 to 5. 1 is the minimum and 5 is the maximum. For normal patient and normal joint, smaller joint, 1 and 2 is quite enough intensity. But if the doctor wants or doctor needs or the patient needs, according to patient comfort, if the joint is bigger, the intensity can be increased, and 5 is quite enough. This is the frequency: 2 Hz, 4 Hz, 6 Hz, 8 Hz, and MF. 2, 4, because this is PEMF device, Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy. So pulse frequency is 2 Hz, 4 Hz, 6 Hz, 8 Hz, MF. MF is the multiplier frequency where when you put the same in the MF mode, it will rotate between all these frequencies. So now I will show you the live demo of the device, and you can see this is the loop. I have already plugged in. Same. I will switch it on. You can see. Now I will start the device. Currently intensity is 1. You can see my shoulder is moving. I am getting the magnetic field in the front. You can hear the voice also, and I can feel the magnetic field in the one intensity. So This is on the joint. You can put the same on cervical. You can put the same on back, knees, and other joints. So you can see. Uh, Now I will vary the intensity. 2. This is the level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. So in each level you can hear the sound also that magnetic field has been increased. You can hear the song. I am putting some silence over here. So now I will change the frequency and show how frequency will change. You can see, you can hear. This is the 4 hertz. Wait. 4 hertz. Previously it was 2 hertz, now 4 hertz. Now I will switch the same to 6 hertz. You can see the variation, you can hear the variation. Let us hear the 6 hertz again. Now I will switch to 8 hertz. So you can hear the same. This is the 8 hertz pulse PEMF therapy. Now it is multiple frequency. In MF frequency you will hear all the sounds, all the frequencies we have selected before. This is 2 hertz. It will switch to other, then switch to other, then switch to other. You can see the switching. Switching to other frequency. Switching to other. So this was the demo of the device. So I have shown you the frequency as well as intensity. Timer you can select 5 to 10, and this was the demo of the device. This is the latest technology, PEMF, Pulsed Electromagnetic Field, quite effective and result oriented in the field of physiotherapy and rehabilitation. And we are importing Biotronix here, International LLP is importing the same. And the same is you can contact us through WhatsApp, calling, or you can visit our website and contact us for buying. Thank you for watching.